Hello, good afternoon to all. Kumustamos lahat mga amigo-amiga? Sana ay nasa buti to all everyone. So ngayon ang ating talakayan, tuloy po pa rin tayo sa what we call pagtalakay sa what we call BP Sara impeachment trial po. So dito pa rin tayo sa what we call sa investigation regarding po kay what we call agent ng NBI po. So, makinig tayo o makiramdam o mag-react o what to say, observe o kailangan natin maintindihan kung ano talaga ang sitwasyon regarding po sa what we call pagbanta ni BP sa ating Pangulo at sa mga First Lady o sa Speaker. Yan po. So, makinig tayo. Siyempre, sa mga allegation o dokumentaryo sa ating NBI agent po.
Kami mapagsimulan, sir.
No, that's okay. Meron din bang affidavit of investigation para kay VP Sara, gaya ng ginawa ng NBI para kay BBM, FL at former speaker?
Since wala ho pa kaming validated information, wala ho kaming mapagsimulan.
So in other words, meron para kay BBM,
Objection.
FL, at
There's no question yet, Your Honor. Yes.
at former speaker, pero wala kay VP Sara.
Argumentative, Your Honor. Argumentative.
That's a factual question, Your Honor.
Asked and answered.
Okay. If no affidavit of investigation, is there any written report on that investigation?
Anong investigation po yun?
Yung against VP Sara, may written report man lang ba?
Well, ang makakaalam ho niyan, yung aming intelligence service, sila ho ang may pull up information from different offices.
But as far as you know, wala pang written report on this?
Well, during that time, so far as the cybercrime investigation is concerned, wala akong nakita na gano'n.
Wala pa.
Noong time na yon,
alright.
sir.
In other words, since wala pang written report, wala pa ring opportunity si VP Sara to supplement any report that you have prepared.
Again, wala akong idea kung mayroon ng written report ang aming intelligence service. Ang alam ko, kung ano lang yung nangyari during nung investigation namin, cybercrime investigation, cybercrime division investigation.
Alright, I'll move on to a new point. Now, as an investigating body, the NBI is called to be impartial, correct?
Yes, sir.
Meaning you have to evaluate both sides, not just one side, correct?
What do you mean both sides?
The offending party side and the offended party side.
Yes, sir.
Alright, in other words, you evaluate the side of the complainant and you also evaluate the side of the respondent, correct?
Evaluate the side of the complainant. Yes, sir.
So, did the NBI do that in its investigation insofar as the case against VP Sara?
Precisely, Your Honor, the reason why we issued a letter dated December 2, 2024
Alright,
is to elicit information from the Vice President herself kung meron po bang validated
Yeah.
information
Okay.
or to ask her kung sakaling nag-appear siya, ma'am, baka meron kang pwedeng pagsimulan namin. But again, kahit representative, wala akong may dumating sa amin na magbibigay sa amin ng impormasyon para pagsimulan ng investigasyon.
yeah, but didn't the counsel appear? So she participated through counsel, correct?
The counsel, Your Honor, only stated na yung threat is, again, yung 6 months ago na nag-conduct ko kami ng open source investigation, wala ko kaming nakitang validated talaga, sir. So wala kami mapagsimulan. Saan kami magsisimula actually?
Okay. So, to enlighten this honorable court of what really happened during your investigation, you issued subpoenas, correct?
We issued subpoenas, sir, yes.
And several people participated, correct?
Media personalities.
Yes, I will go to that. I'll just answer the question first, yes or no. At least 4 people, correct?
We issued subpoena, yes, sir.
Reyes of Philippine Daily Inquirer attended with counsel. You confirm this?
I think so, sir.
Mendoza of Manila Times also attended with counsel.
It was reported to.
Reported to
I
you.
think Magsambol and Reyes.
Yeah,
Yun
alright.
yung report sa akin ni Agent Calilong, sir.
How about Rubrico of SMNI?
Yeah, yung anim ho na yan, as far as I know, na issue namin ng subpoena, I think yung iba dyan, hindi ho nag-appear kasi yung isa nasa China, meron siyang parang
I'm not asking about
understanding.
those. I'm just asking about
The
the
witness is
people
in the
that
process of
participated.
answering the
Counsel
question.
witness is in the process of answering. Let him finish. Are you done, Attorney Lutok?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right,
Proceed, Counsel.
and these people were interviewed by NBI agents, correct?
By NBI agents, sir.
Okay, the NBI agents included Kalilong, correct?
Yes, sir.
For Magstambol and Reyes, Geran, for Mendoza.
Yes, sir, I think.
All right, but Asuncion for Rubrico, correct?
Yes, Assumption also.
All right, and the Q&A was recorded, correct?
Yeah, I think may transcript yata.
All right, very well. After the interviews, the NBI agents executed affidavits, correct?
Yes, sir.
Attesting to the interviews conducted.
Yes, sir.
Let's go through the minutes of the meeting attached to the affidavit of investigation. There were 4 sets of minutes of the meeting, correct? One for Reyes, one for Mendoza, one for Magsambol, and one for Rubrico. Do you confirm this?
May I check first the document, sir?
Your Honor, may we ask, Your Honor, that my co-counsel confronts the witness, not the prosecution's counsel. This is our turn, Your Honor. And we want to use the official copy, which is the copy's court, the impeachment court's copy, Your Honor. So we don't know what copy the prosecution's lawyer is confronting the witness with.
Counsel will please comply.
Ano?
All right, so minutes of the meeting. So there were 4 sets, one for Reyes, one for Mendoza, one for Magsambol, and one for Rubrico. Now, based on the minutes of the meeting,
May I check first, sir?
okay, go ahead.
Yeah, potentially, yes. May potentially, yes. This is Mendoza. This is Magsambol. Yeah, I think up to Rubrico, sir.
All right, so you confirmed that there was a Q&A.
There is Q&A. sir.
Okay, and then konti lang yung mga tanong nyo, actually not more than 20 questions per interviewee, correct?
20 questions. sir.
All right, and how long did the interviews last, if you know?
I think ang report sa akin na nag-appear sila, nag-participate sila sa interview, but dun sa timeline, no personal knowledge, sir.
All right.
Nakakasagot nito yung mismo yung nag-interview, sir.
Okay, but in that interview, they were asked about their personal knowledge on the November 23, 2024 press con, correct?
Yeah, the question was where were you on 23 November
Just
2024?
a yes or no will
At
do.
about 12 a.m. to 1 a.m. sir.
Yes, your answer is yes.
Yeah, there is that
Okay.
question. sir.
Now, during this interview, according to the minutes also that you're now perusing, a video of the press con was shown, correct?
Mm, Yes, it says here, is that Zoom meeting the one in the video?
Okay.
At this juncture, the agent showed the video.
Attorney Lotok, kindly just answer yes to abbreviate the proceedings or
Yes,
no.
yes, sir.
Okay, my question is this. Did the NBI show the entire video FL and the former speaker? Does it make sense for her that she would publicly announce this to the general public? If you know.
I don't know that, Your Honor.
Alright. In fact, you showed in your direct examination, you also showed portions of the October 18 press con, correct?
Yes, sir.
And that press con was also done in general, before the general public, correct?
I believe so, sir.
Alright, based on your investigation or your experience as an investigator, kapag may balak bang patayin ng isang tao, sinasabi ba nila yung plano nila sa general public?
Well, I think it's narinig yun nila.
Alright, my more important question to you is this. Did VP Sara directly say her statements to BBM, FL, and the former speaker?
Well, the fact na sinabi niya yan in public,
Again, Your Honor,
definitely narinig
may we
yun
ask
ng
for a more
presidente.
responsive answer?
The answer is actually quite obvious. It's a simple question. Did the Vice President utter those statements directly towards the persons allegedly?
We believe so, Your Honor, because the utterances is made public.
So what's the answer?
We
Did
believe so.
VP Sara directly say those statements?
Answer, he said we believe so.
But we did not get a responsive answer, Your
That's
Honor.
the
Can we
answer.
ask the witness to give a more responsive answer?
That's his answer, we believe so. Yes, that's a yes, that's so clear.
Without putting words into the mouth of the witness, I will be the one to ask. Attorney Lotok, you meant yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Proceed, counsel.
Alright. Are you aware that in one interview following the press con, BBM mentioned that he was open for reconciliation with the Vice President?
I'm not aware of that.
Not aware, okay? I'll make you aware today. Can we play D-4-12, please?
Mr. President, kayo po ba sa puso ninyo, gusto niyo bang makipagkasundo pa sa mga Duterte?
Oo. Ayaw ko ng gulo. Gusto ko makasundo sa lahat ng tao. Mas maganda, wala na. Marami na akong kaaway. Hindi ko kailangan ng kaaway. Kailangan ko kaibigan. Kagaya ng sabi ko sa'yo, pagka... hindi ko... Magpo-confess ako dito.
Pwede naman po, para akong pari po nito ngayon ako.
Ewan ko, kahit hanggat maaari, ako, ang habol ko, yung stability, peaceful, para magawa namin yung trabaho namin. Kaya,
Okay. Hello mga guys. Thank you. Siyempre dito naman na tayo. See you next time po. Ingat, God bless everyone.